right? Sit there. Oh, you're drinking water. Take a chocolate, babe. Here, turn here. Turn here. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, your hand is dirty. You need to clean your hand first. Clean your hand, your feet, because they are dirty before getting into this beautiful water. You can get into this, right? You can swim. You want to wash your body? It's okay. Oh, it's okay. No jumping. It's okay. Swim with your shirt. Okay? Still need more water. It's okay. Feeling. Okay, you take off your shirt, huh? Take your shirt. Swim. You don't want to swim? Bên này. Hai là. Hai tật ấy. Jumping. You like to jump very much. Cho thêm nào. You haven't finished your bathing yet. Okay. I take this off, okay? Let me take this off. Take the shirt off. Hold your hand, okay? Okay. Alright. Oh, you love your shirt. You don't want it to be away from you. Nice little summer. Right now, up. Shampoo. Right? Plain shampoo. Sit here. Wrapping your hand, okay? Wrapping your hand this way, okay? Wash your hand. It's COVID time. You need to wash your hand like this. Yes. Learn to wash your hand. Okay? Little boy is brushing his hand perfectly. Like each part of your fingers need to be clean, right? Yes. You need to clean yourself. The soap, you need to clean your body. Everything here. Yes. Should brush your teeth sometime. Okay. And then another two feet you need to brush with like this. Okay. Keep it somewhere. You ready for the shampoo, right? Rub your hand. Clap your hand. And do some pairs. Do how do you do? Do some pair. Do some pair. How do you do? How do you do? Oh, do some pair. Do some pair. Sit over here. Yes. Sit on the stool. Yes. Yes, and clean your body with this one, right? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Careful, you're gonna be choking. Okay? Oh, hey. Mấy người skill. Tập trực này ha, quay này. Right. Stay here for a few minutes, okay? Now let all the water goes away from your body, that I can dry your body, right? Put your feet here. Yes. You gotta get it. You're gonna be wet. Oh, don't bite that. Don't bite that. Do not bite that. Are you ready? Are you ready now? You ready? Just sit there. Oh, I forget that you have the bowl. You have the bowl. You have the bowl. No, careful. You'll be choked. Can hear? Oh, what are you doing? You want to lift up the table while you're sitting there? Can come to me. I dry your body, okay? Come on. Come on here. Come on to daddy. Come on. Oh, come on here. Oh, come on here. Oh, that's it. Yeah, forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Yes, 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 yes. Daddy's here. Yes. Get the morning sun to get the vitamin D, vitamin D, right? To make your bones strong. Morning, get the vitamin D to make your bones strong. Oh, still itchy over here. Let me clean your hairs over your head. Oh shit! Biting your dad. Oh, why you decided to bite your dad? It's okay, but daddy really want you to make you clean. Are you biting your dad, boy? Chut, 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 chut. Okay, stay here, stay here. Let it clean. Let it clean your hair. Let it clean your hair. Clean your hair. Clean your hair. Oh, careful, careful. You're gonna be stained. Already washed perfectly. Do not get into the dirt again, boy. Let me clean your finger, okay? The finger. Your finger. Your finger. Everything. Do you get a lot of vitamin D? Oh, why are you scratching me again? Oh, scratching me. You have a long, sharp nail and you scratch me. You hurt me. Oh. Yeah, good guy. Oh, you're biting my fingers through this towel. Ah. Yeah, why you punish me, boy? You punish me so much, boy. Oh. No. No. You don't like the towel. The towel help clean your body. Right? The towel help clean your body. All right.